got that like you, 'cause you got that something that I need.
Oh, what up guys? It's been a very long time since I've made a video. I'm doing it on my phone. Don't know how well that's going to work audio wise, but just been waiting for parts this entire time. It's been quite a bit. I got scammed out of my exhaust when I got my parts back. Got another person to make my exhaust. My exhaust is finally here. It looks amazing. You can't really see, you can kind of see it there, but that's all you're going to see because this is just a quick update video. I'll have part 7 to my series out hopefully in a week. Now that I got all the parts, what else do I got? I'm going to be in Tennessee in the beginning of June for the Small Boar Bash, which is hosted by Grom Fathers, and then there's another meet that's in Townsend. Me and my friends in New Hampshire will be driving 19 hours all the way to Tennessee. We do every year. This is going to be my 3rd year, and I plan on going every year forever. I absolutely love it down in Tennessee. Yeah, so, and I got my plate. You can kind of see it there. I wanted to update everyone. I finally have got most of all the harnesses plug and play. So if you need a harness adapter, this one's specifically for the dash. So this will connect your CBR harness to your Grom dash, plug and play. Absolutely perfect. Same with the ignition. This is the ignition one. Plug and play, CBR harness right to your Grom ignition. Much easier. I also have taillight. I pretty much literally have every plug. I've figured out all to source all the OEM Honda plugs, so it's literally plug and play. What else do I got for an update? Whew. The bike is way different than how I originally made the videos, so I will go over that in part 7. A-Racer also hooked me up with an RC2, so I no longer am running the Mini 5. I am now running the RC2. The Mini 5 went on the green bike, which is a 250 swap. So yeah, shout out to A-Racer for that one. Thank you very much. We picked up a new sponsor, DHM, David from DHM Motorsports, or DHM Motoring, I should say. He sent out a dual nut swing arm axle bolt and another few parts for my Neo motor over there. Thank you, David. I'll have a link to his stuff in all the descriptions and all the videos. And yeah, shout out to Hard Racing because they've helped as well. But it's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a quick little video so people don't think I disappeared or died. I have started the bike. It runs great. You almost saw my exhaust. I haven't ridden it yet because I'm just waiting to put all the plastics on, and I can't do that till I make the video of how I ran everything. I think I'm going to skip, as I block the camera, I think I'm going to skip how I did the running the A-Racer stuff. It's literally all plug and play. I'll just have, in the part 7 that will release in a week, I'll just explain where I put stuff, showed where it is. What else? Oh yeah, another thing that I got. Decals. So I can make any decals you want to put here. Obviously 300F, that's what's in this bike. This other bike that I just built, 300R with fresh powder coated rims. We're still waiting for bearings. And this one is a 250R. I did record videos on those. I didn't record every detail like I did on this. It's almost 100% exactly the same. I just did an intro, and then I did a time lapse, and I think that's it for those. I didn't really go into detail because everything I've done on my build is almost exactly the same as those. The green one is a 250R motor with a 300F harness, and the other white one is a CBR 300 with a CBR 300 harness. And all my adapters, they work for every CBR swap that you do. CB swap, whatever. You can contact me in the Facebook group, which is linked below. Just look for Michael. I usually have a pin post or something on there. And you can message me through there. You can shoot me an email. The email down below, but usually Facebook's faster. Yeah. On all the harnesses, all the adapters, you'll save yourself about, someone told me they bought the entire kit that I sell, and it saved them about 5 to 6 hours of just wiring it, because they already wired one bike and they did all the plug and play harnesses for the second bike. And yeah, they said they saved about 5 or 6 hours. And you don't got to worry about what color wires go where, which is nice. A lot of people don't like wiring. I enjoy wiring. You're going to see my bike in part 7 and you're going to say, that guy cannot wire for shit. But I have tons and tons of electronics on my bike. It's insane. All of the A-Racer wiring, the CB harness, I have radar detector, I have LEDs, I have a switched power source harness to plug all my stuff in so it's not running off the battery. Yeah, it's nonsense, but whatever. So, appreciate you guys tuning in. It seems like a lot of people like these builds that I do. I try to make it as detailed as possible. I don't really have any negative comments that I read, but whatever. If you like my builds, put a comment down below. Let me know. Tell me what you want to see, what I gotta do better. I enjoy making these videos. I'm kind of running out of things to do because I've done everything, and then I pretty much gotta do it again the second time to record a video, but it's fun. I enjoy it. I got nothing else. Like I said, part 7 will be dropping in a week. I'm almost done editing it. I just gotta do all the fine detail stuff. And part 7, probably not going to start the bike. I think I said I would, but I'm not going to in the video. And then part 8 will be setting up A-Racer, showing you how to go through the whole entire process. I'll have a screen capture on my phone of all the settings that I change. And then we'll start the bike and we'll ride it for the first time. I haven't ridden mine yet. My buddies have ridden theirs. I haven't ridden it. I'm waiting for my first ride to be on my bike. And yeah, that is it. So thank you guys for watching, tuning in. Hopefully these videos help you, make the swap easier. Like I said, it is super easy. And this entire video, it looks like I'm looking off to the, well, left or right, whatever the camera flips it around to. But the camera's right there. And then I look at myself, I can't see both. So subscribe, guys. It'd be cool if I can get to 1,000 subscribers. I've actually gained, I started this series with like 300, and I'm over 500 now, so that's kind of cool. My watch hours are going up. Hey, it'd be cool to monetize this channel, make my 50 cents on ad revenue, but hey, share this video. It's posted on the forums. I usually spam it on all the group pages because that's who I am. I'm a troll, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in part 7 that was recorded almost 2 months ago. Later.